In this video, you will learn how to find your Microsoft Word product key, check your Microsoft account, sign into your account.microsoft.com, look under services and subscriptions for the Office purchase and any license details linked to your Microsoft account. Search your email for the purchase receipt, look for the confirmation email or order receipt from Microsoft or your retailer for which you've contained the product key and order number. Inspect physical package or product. If you've bought a boxed copy or product card, check the inside sleeve, manual or sticker for the printed product key. Check the retailer or OEM documentation. In the Office, came pre-installed or bundled, check the PC paperwork or any seller's account for licensing information. Open an Office app, then view account activation info. Launch Word and go to File, then go to Account to see your activation status, which Microsoft linked. Let's you recover your licenses via your account. Contact Microsoft support if you cannot find your key. Provide proof of purchase of your Microsoft support. They can help you locate, recover, and reissue your license information. Now you know. Now you know how to find your Microsoft Word product key. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.